Good morning, children. Here I am in front of you, and be cheerful. Take the pen, paper in your hand to write the answers, note down the answers, and do your work. And the work is from understanding law, right? So I hope so. The children, those who have attended the class today, they were able to do it, but still many doubts may be there, so we will clear it. And if still you are having some doubts, I will clear them also. And some meanings, keywords also I will explain you here. So first we will take the choose the correct options. The first one, the Minimum Wages Act was passed for the welfare of the dash, and the correct answer is C. C for cat, workers. Number 2, descent takes place under dash. B is correct answer, B for boy, extraordinary circumstances. Third, the anti-liquor agitation began in the dash. The correct answer is B, B for boy, 1990. Then fourth, Gandhiji started the salt satyagraha in dash. The correct answer is C, C for cat, 1930. The Bhopal gas tragedy took place in the year dash, and the correct answer is D, D for dog, 1984. Now fill in the blanks. The Code of Wages or the Wages Act was passed in 2019, 2019. Second, dissent means refusal to abide by law. Refusal to abide by law. Third, the Environmental Protection Act was passed after the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984. You have to write full, just as I am telling you. Okay, in exam if it comes, then you have to write full. Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984. Then fourth, SALT Act, SALT, SALT, ACT Act. A will be capital, S will be capital. SALT Act is an example of an unpopular law in pre-independence India. Fifth, the Maternity Benefits Act 1961 made it mandatory to give 1 to 12 weeks of paid holidays to women before and after childbirth. It means that becomes 6 months, 3 months before the birth of the child and 3 months after the birth of child. And it is compulsory. Mandatory means compulsory. The employees are bound to give the this leave, and that is paid in the government offices, not in private. Many private are also giving, but all the private are not giving. Okay, now state true or false. The first one, the Minimum Wages Act was passed in 1984. That is false. Second, the Congress resolved to fight for complete independence at its Lahore session in 1939. That is also false. Then third, Bhopal gas tragedy occurred due to an accidental blast in the Union Carbide plant. That is also false. Then regularization of unauthorized colonies has become a controversial law in India. That is true. The Maternity Benefits Act restricts the employment of pregnant women in hazardous jobs. That is also true. So first 3 are false and last 2 are true. Now question answers, 10 to 20 word. Who led our country in the salt satyagraha? And the correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi led our country in the salt satyagraha movement. Mahatma Gandhi, you have to write full because it is 10 to 20 word answer. So sentence must be there. Mahatma Gandhi led our country in the salt satyagraha movement. Then second, name the march that Mahatma Gandhi undertook to break the salt law. And the answer is Dandi March. Dandi March. That Mahatma Gandhi undertook to break the salt law. Now third, what is the goal of descent? And the answer is the goal of descent is to the goal of descent. The goal of descent is to bring about a change in actions, about a change in actions, policies, कॉमा लगाते जाएंगे, actions, policies, laws, government or the constitution. The goal of descent is to bring about a change in actions, policies, laws, government or the constitution. Next question. Give some examples of unpopular laws or bill. The correct answer is point number 1, the SALT Act. The SALT Act before the independence. The SALT Act before the independence. Point number 2, removal of industries from residential areas. Removal of industries from residential areas after the independence. After the independence. Next question. How do people react to unpopular laws? And the answer is given on page number 276, last paragraph. And you can mark it or note it down. People use varied means. People use varied means to draw attention to these acts. Full stop. They resort to protests and demonstrations, comma, discussions and debates on public forum, reporting on TV channels, etc. People use varied means to draw attention to these acts. They resort to protests and demonstrations, comma, discussions and debates on public forums, comma, reporting on TV channels, etc. I hope so that you have done, and you start doing the in-between questions also, and what is the meaning of controversial, and many more questions like what is the full form of different words, letters you will maybe asked, and where is the Union Carbide plant located, and then name the historic event with which the SALT law was associated. What do you mean by a descent, and in which year anti-liquor agitation was done, and in this manner the short in between questions are there which you will do, and prepare well for your next coming exams, and have a nice day. We'll meet again with the next video. Keep on watching, sharing and subscribing.